Hello everyone. So today I'm here with my another DIY project which I'm going to share it with you. It's very fun to make and very interesting. So I always use like my stuff that just are not in use anymore. So this is from a spinach dip that we got, and it's empty now, so I thought, why shouldn't I make something fun out of this? So I got this bowl, I cleaned the stickers out of it, and then I got this fabric. And now what my idea is that I'm gonna stick this at the bottom and this in the under the bowl, and then I'm gonna wrap this twine around the bowl and the green one on the lid, and then I'm gonna decorate it with these colorful pom-poms.
So I'm gonna
Alright, so let's get started.
With the help of glue gun. I always use this, and I'm sure everyone does. It's very quick to glue this stuff on it. So that's how I pasted my fabric at the bottom. And now it's completely set. And now I'm gonna put the other piece of fabric and stick it inside the bowl, just like that. Okay. That is out of glue stick, so I'm gonna stick another stick in it. And now I'm gonna open some twine and start gluing around the box. First I put a little bit of glue, and then I'll stick the twine around. Make sure your fingers won't get burned. So that's why I got these fingertip savers that I got it from dollar store, and they're very useful, but sometimes they get stick to the glue and then they are not like, I tried it for the first time, but then after a while I got rid of it. Yeah. So I put like glue and a little bit of distance, turn it around all the way. So this is how it looks after a few rounds of twine, and I have a lot of space to go. So I'll just keep gluing it until I finish the whole bottom part, like the bowl. So this is how it's gonna look. I think I like it. It looks good. Starting to look like a basket. And now I'm gonna glue the green twine on the lid. I'm gonna start from the side, and then it's going to be all the way around again. Until the middle. So let me do it and I'll show you later. So here it is. I like it. What do you think about it? let me know. And now I'm going to choose the pom-poms. So I'm going to put some in the middle and then on the edge I got one of each pom-pom, and then I'll glue it in the middle. Start from there. Just a random color, whichever you like. You can even decorate it with jewels, you know, diamonds or small pieces of mirror. It looks so pretty, and you can use it to keep your jewelries, or you can put it in your kitchen, so whenever you're working, cooking, or washing dishes, you can keep your rings and bracelets in it. I think it's very useful. So I'm going to put these pom-poms in the middle first. There we go. One more to go. So this is how it's going to look. And now I put all around just random colors and some on the bottom too. I like it. It's cute. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. It's a cute little basket. You can decorate it any way you like, but I think I like it this way. So please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share with your friends.